So I'll be posting a tile installation video. Bear with me, I'm still learning how to post content. But this is a sneak peek. Basically, this is how you start the rake side. I'm gonna start with a full tile and then a half to break the side laps so they're not all lined up. Pretty simple. So full tile, half tile, then another full tile, and then a half tile. The reason I don't nail that half tile is because it's going to be supported by the rake once I install the rake. But bear with me, I'm still learning how to upload content. Thank you, like and subscribe.